seconds. Oh boy, it's hot in here. Well, I can control snow, so here's an ice cube to cool you off. Ow, my eye!
I can help.
Are you a doctor?
Oh, no, I'm a troll, but I can probably do it. Shazam!
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Your parents are dead.
What? I guess I'm the queen now.
Your sister is prettier than you.
What did you say?
Dang, girl, you're crazy.
That's it. I'm leaving forever. Bye. I need to find her.
I can help you.
Oh, you're handsome.
Hey!
Hey! Wait, who the heck are you? I am the best part of this movie. And I'll die when I get home. Oh, God. And summer! There she is.
Ice, ice, baby.
Elsie, you have to come home. Girl, let it go. Let it go.
So I lied. You're both ugly, and I'm the king now.
I'm coming home. Winter is over.